Lyft Driver app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Lyft Driver app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Lyft Driver. If you see update instead of open, then you have to update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to your settings and here scroll below onto apps. Tap onto apps and search for Lyft Driver. For instance, if this is my Lyft Driver app, then you have to scroll below until you see storage. Once you tap onto storage, clear the cache and also clear the data. Before clearing the application's data, also be noted to make sure that you know your username and password. Now come back and tap on Force Stop and tap on OK. Once you do all that, this shall fix your problem. If it's still not fixing your issue, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.